Hi, welcome to Basic English. I hope you guys liked my previous video about prestigious. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Dilemma. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Dilemma, which basically means a difficult choice between the two equally undesirable things, or you can say a difficult situation where choosing one option is very tough. Let's look at some examples for better understanding. Example 1. I am in a dilemma whether to do math or English. Example 2. The president is clearly in a dilemma how to tackle the situation. Example 3. The girl is in a dilemma whether to accept the proposal or not. Example 4. I am in a dilemma whether to business or job. And the last one we have, the new school rule put the guardians in a dilemma.